So this is just about me, the nerd who loves food and food. I believe that some of life's most memorable moments happen around the dinner table. Some of my happiest memories are being around my whole family, laughing and arguing with each other as we eat. As a child, I remember watching the cooking channel before it was cool, instead of cartoons. And I used to stand in amazement as a child at the cookies my grandmothers could produce. They were like machines. I never started in food. I actually went the traditional route. I went to college. I went all the way. I'm finishing my doctorate in healthcare administration. I run a research and development company, and I learned there are so many similarities between science and food. In both things, you get to create things that have an impact on people and can be so memorable. Someone told me one day that if you followed your passion and did it for a living, that it would become mundane and you wouldn't love it anymore. And I found out that is absolutely untrue and embraced my passion and love for cooking. And cooking has never become mundane. I was blessed enough to grow up in a family that valued and understood where our food came from. They instilled in me the sense of respect for Michigan's animals and agriculture. I was able to go to the family garden and pick fresh vegetables. I saw my family hunt and fish, and not for sport, but to sustain our family. And this shaped who I am as a cook. I believe being able to know where your food comes from and how to prepare a fresh meal is something to value, and I'm glad that I can pass this value on to my children and to you.